Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and we are shipping out a lot of live quail today. So I was just going to take you through the process of what we do. So this is my order list, and I'm going to go through here, and we're going to write it down on my paper here. And so what I'm going to do is we have small and large boxes. So just small and large, and then I'm just going to write down how many I need, and then we're going to go get those and go from there. So, all right, so we need 11 small boxes and 6 large. So there's 3 pieces that come with the small box, and there's like a million more with the large box. But I'll show you how we put one together, and then and we'll show you the next process. So. All right, so we just made the 11 small. I'm going to show you how we put together one large, and then I'll make the rest of those. So there's these pieces, those pieces, and these big honking ones. So, so we made all the boxes, and we use cucumber. Sometimes we use apple, but we use cucumber quite a bit for the hydration of the birds while they're shipped. So we literally take one cucumber, we split it right down the middle, and then we put it in a box. Each section will get a half a cucumber, and that will last them at least 3 days worth of hydration. And that works a lot better for the quail. So the large boxes obviously have 4 sections, and so they use 2 cucumbers, the small boxes use 1. And then we open up a feed bag, and you know that you're doing something right when you know how to open up a feed bag, because the first, 6 months of me trying to do this, I kept having to call Jenna and ask her to open the bags for me, because my brain could not figure it out. But I got it down now. So we used to measure and blah, 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 but now I can kind of visualize it. So we put enough feed in there for 3 days worth. Now they are express, so they're supposed to be 1 to 2 day shipping, but we don't trust the post office. So we put enough food and water hydration in there for 3 days. And then the next step after I do this is to go get the quail. All right, so we got all the boxes taken care of. All the names are on the box with what they ordered. And we usually don't do it this way, but I wanted to at least show you how we box them up. So this person here, excuse me, ordered a breeder set. So that's 5 hens and 1 male. So what we'll do is we try to give you as best of a mix as possible. So we'll find a good looking male. So we're giving you a fab feed male. So we'll put that in the box. We're checking the feet, checking the beak, the eyes, making sure it's not missing any feathers. All right, so we boxed all of them up. The labels are on all of them. They're taped except for this last one. I did want to show you just real quick. So this is the label. So it shows Express. So we ship all of our live quail express, but underneath the label is the MPIP paperwork, which again, I can't really show you too much because it's got the address and everything. But yeah, so every label with the live quail, the MPIP paperwork will be underneath the label so that it doesn't get all nasty. And now we're ready to load up the truck and get to the post office. So we'll see you in a few minutes.